So I've been following the news recently about the very sad story of the baby girl, xiao luoxi, I'm sorry if I've said that wrong, who sadly passed away a couple of weeks ago. For those of you who are unfamiliar with it, basically she was a 5-month-old baby who was born 1 month premature. And she was okay on the whole, despite being born premature, but the doctor suggested she had a surgery for what seemingly was a minor issue. You know, I guess maybe they wanted some extra income, I don't know. But anyway, it was meant to be a non-invasive surgery, and it was only meant to last 2-3 hours. And it was almost 3 times that length. And in the end, the poor baby, she died. She passed away on the table. And now there's a lot of uproar about it, quite naturally, especially as this doctor who performed the surgery has had a similar incident, I think, within this year. And so it's an awful, awful thing to happen. You know, I now have a baby girl of a very similar age, and I can't imagine going through that. I can't imagine losing her that way. And then to have where the hospital is saying, trying to, you know, hush it up, trying to make it go away. It's awful. There's no other way to think about it. And what's a really sad aspect of this story is that new babies, they usually have to eat every 3 hours. So obviously by this point in the operation, she must have been starving, which is an even worse pain to add to everything that was happening. And then the point that kind of breaks your heart is the final thing as she passed away is she had a little tear in her eye. I would love for all babies to be born happy and healthy, but I know that isn't always possible. So perhaps that anything that needs to be done to keep a baby healthy is done safely and with the best intention of the baby.
小红书